Over the last decade, we've seen incredible progress and transformation of the Lagos-Badagry Expressway, from new bridges and interchanges, expanded lanes, to having a functional metro in the middle of the highway. But with this, construction doesn't seem to be over on the expressway and within the highway. In today's video, I'm at Mile 2 along the Lagos-Badagry Expressway to show you guys a project that kicked off some months back, which is the construction of the Mile 2 Interchange Hub, and it is part of the Lagos Strategic Transport Master Plan Project Phase 1.
Hi people, welcome to my channel. My name is Bella and today I am in Mile 2 and I'll be showing you what is actually happening right here at Mile 2. For those who don't know, there is a construction ongoing right here at Mile 2, which is likely to be an interchange hub for the Mile 2 interchange. So I'll be showing you what has been done, how the construction work is progressing, and everything you need to know. Presently, the work is just kicking off, so it's just at the foundation stages. So I'll be showing you there are different ramps where there will be different construction right here at Mile 2. So I'll be showing you all the ramps and what is actually going on right here at Mile 2. I did a video on the Surulere interchange. The Surulere interchange was likely open due to the fact that you can see where I am presently is a ramp, and the ramp has been closed. So for vehicles to use an alternative, they have to make use of the Surulere interchange. I guess that was why that Surulere interchange was open then. So I'll be showing you what is actually going. You can see just behind me, just a section that is demarcated, and right behind me here, the section is still wide open, and I'm very sure it's going to be guided and there is going to be barricaded very soon, just like what we have right here on my left. So guys, let's walk around Mile 2 and let me show you what is actually ongoing right here.
Before we proceed to the current state of works, let's take a look at how this place was as at July 2024 when I was last here, so we can compare what have been done now as at December 2024, as I will be giving an update on this project at different intervals, probably every quarterly. Mile 2 serves as a critical node for commuters navigating the Lagos-Badagry corridor. From here, you can get buses going to different parts of Lagos as it connects key areas such as Apapa, Festac, Orile, Oshodi, Lagos Island, and even international borders within West Africa. However, this strategic importance comes with a downside: heavy traffic congestion, unregulated commercial activities, and chaotic intermodal interactions involving cars, buses, trailers, and pedestrians. The Mile 2 Interchange Hub aims to address these challenges by providing a well-organized multimodal transit center. The Mile 2 Interchange Hub will integrate road, rail, and water transport system, offering a seamless experience for commuters. Key features of this hub include dedicated bus terminals. Designed for the Lagos Bus Rapid Transit (BRT) system, these terminals will enhance boarding efficiency and reduce congestion. Rail integration. With the Lagos Blue Line rail system in proximity, the hub will serve as a transit point for passengers switching between road and rail. Pedestrian-friendly infrastructure. The projects include walkways, pedestrian bridges, and designated zone to ensure safety and ease of movement. Smart traffic management systems. Advanced traffic signal systems and real-time monitoring will ensure smoother vehicular flow. Commercial and recreational spaces designed to generate revenue and enhance user experience. These spaces will include retail outlets, waiting area, and food courts.
You can see the blue line train just passing by, and here is another ramp. Just as we have the construction ongoing here, there is also a construction ongoing as well at Marina for another interchange just like this, but the one at Mile 2 is actually more massive than the one ongoing at Marina. So that's all the difference. For context, if you really want to know how the final outcome of this place will look like, just take Oshodi interchange as context. The way we have like 3 terminals at Oshodi, I think that's what they are actually trying to create here. I don't know the number of terminals that will be built here, but I'm guessing maybe 3 or 4 terminals as well will also be created here at Mile 2. As the construction keeps getting to different stages, I'll keep updating you guys.
From chaotic congestion to streamline efficiency, the Mile 2 Interchange Hub is set to transform Lagos-Badagry Expressway and redefine mobility in this corridor. The construction of the Mile 2 Interchange Hub is another milestone in the ambitious upgrade of the Lagos-Badagry Expressway by addressing long-standing issue of congestion and inefficiency. The project promises to transform Mile 2 into a world-class transportation hub for commuters and businesses. What are your thoughts on this ambitious project? Let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates on major development in Lagos. See you in my next video.